I've analyzed job postings, and here are three key areas that all cybersecurity jobs have in common. Number one, effective communication. Show your ability to clearly explain complex cybersecurity topics. Consider starting a blog to demonstrate your skill in making technical content accessible to everyone. Number two is cybersecurity technical knowledge. Engage in practical labs and document your learning journey. You want to get familiar with essential tools like firewalls, SIMs, and EDRs. Number three is educational background and certifications. A relevant degree is beneficial, but certifications, especially Security Plus, can significantly boost your profile. You want to have a balance of soft skills with technical skills. Show initiative through education and certifications, and back it up with hands on experience by completing labs and projects. Follow for more cybersecurity tips and insights.